Are you wasting hours in Excel every week?
Stop doing these.
These 5 tricks will make you 3x faster instantly. Let's start a video.
First, flash and fill.
It automatically fills data based on patterns,
which saves time to recording a data of employee and other information.
In these videos, see how flash fill is worked. You can also fill data from flash fill by using Ctrl+E key. To pivot table. It's help to summarize large data sets instantly. Three conditional formatting. It's used to quickly highlights important data. See how it works. For keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+Shift+L for filters. 5 VLOOKUP function. It pulls data from other sheets efficiently.